how to download and install GTA San Andreas on your iPhone. Whether you're a fan of the game or just looking for something fun to play, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is compatible. GTA San Andreas requires iOS 8.0 or later and is compatible with iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Head over to the App Store to check the requirements if you're unsure. Next, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type GTA San Andreas. You should see the game by Rockstar Games. Click on it. Now, as of now, the game costs. Also, tap on the price button to buy, or you can simply tap on get. After purchasing the game, it will start downloading automatically. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using up your mobile data. This game is quite large, around 2.1 GB, so it might take some time to download depending on your speed. Once the download is complete, you can open the game directly from the App Store or find it on your home screen. And that's it. You're all set to start playing GTA San Andreas on your iPhone. Enjoy the nostalgic ride through San Andreas and have fun with all the missions and activities the game has to offer.